Hello everyone, welcome back to Muska channel, and today another forest playthrough video. As you can see, I'm super hungry and a little bit thirsty. I'm about to die, I guess, so we need to find some food ASAP. Anything would be good. Like, let me check, do I have anything? No. All I've got is boots. And I can wear a leather skin. Right, that's a good armor. Right, shall we start with looking for some food? I guess we can go to the nearest camp and find... Hello? Oh dear, don't do that. And find some luggages and a snack. But actually, the best way is to kill some animals, but I'm not very skillful with that. As you can see... No. Oh, thank God I did it. Ew. Okay, we got some food. He's super tired. As you can see, he's barely breathing. We need to cook it. Okay, let's cook our meat. Let's wait till it cooks. Can actually add some fuel. And yeah, let's search for some other squirrels, I guess. If this is like the only way we can survive here. Right, here's one. And it's running away from me. There's a deer, which is really hard to kill. Right, food. Eat. Oh, thank God. Oh, and apparently our health is not good, so we're gonna take some medicines. And yeah. Let's go and check the surroundings. And at the same time we're gonna look for some food. Anything is good. Like this bird that just flown away. Right, come back. Oh, right, here's the plane, yeah? Yeah, and we've got some luggages, so let's check all of them. Took everything we can for the sake of our survival. I think it's gonna slow us down a little bit because our hunger is gonna go down as well. Oh, I can see a snack. No, I don't need a bowl. Right. No, don't do that, please, Jesus. No, brown. Come on, open it. Jesus. Oh, thank you. Right, tons of medicines. Can't carry any more medicines. So, I guess they won't despawn the medicines, and we can always come back here and take them. Is that right? I guess that's it. Right. So we open this one, right? Now here's some more. Boom. Right, snacks. Oh, thank God, that's much better. And another snack. Man, we're so lucky. Is this the back? Yeah, that's the back of the plane. Oh. What did I eat? I didn't saw that. But I hope I won't die of poison. Oh, I've got watches. Cool. Let's go. Come back, my little squirrel. Come back. Okay, no, no. No, I'm not good at it. I think, I can actually... How much feathers? Got 1 feather. Now... So, let me see. Is this the cliff? Because I actually need to go to the beach. Right. So, this is the cliff. And if you go alongside the cliff, I think we're gonna find a beach. Right? Yeah, let's check it out. So what I actually wanna do on the cliff, to find the cliff is actually one of the easiest ways to find a lot of birds, different kind of birds. And while chopping them down, it's actually quite easy. There's gonna be feathers flying around them, and you gotta catch them. So yeah, that's how we get our feathers and make an arrows. Yeah, that's our main goal. Oh, I see a boat. That's cool. So. A watch. What does it say? Nothing. Okay. Wait. Let me see the boat. Oh, so here's the beach. So we actually found it. So, I don't really see much birds. Not much. I'm actually gonna check out the boat. If there is anything cool in there. Wait. So here is one bird. Hello. And here's the feathers. Come back, come back. Oh my god, I can't reach that. Oh no, I don't need his hat. No, thank you. Oh, here's another feather. Right, we've got 3 so far. Any more birds? Hello? Like, any bird is good here. Oh, I've got one. Hello? No, don't fly away, don't. Right, we got another one. Oh, right, a feather. Right, we got 4. Oh my god, so many birds. Hello. No. Oh. Oh, another one coming. Hello, little bird. No, wrong button. No. Where is it? I just saw a feather. Oh, here it is. Right, here's not. Now it's flying away. We can't really catch it. Right, anymore? Oh my god, it's getting late. I gotta go away. I gotta go home. And I'm actually out of water. That's not cool. I got boost though. It won't help much, but at least some water. I mean, liquid. Oh my god, and he's getting tired as hell. Come on, don't do that to me. It's getting dark, dude. Right, what's this? Some mats? Marigolds? Wow, we're quite far from home. I didn't realize this island, I guess, was so big. No! Oh, I almost got him. Man, those lizards are hard to kill. Right, do we need a lighter? I guess we need a lighter. Oh, it's a little bit creepy in this island at night. Is there a little shack? Can I see? Yeah. Home sweet home. Right, so what we're not gonna cook it now. Because the fire actually attracts... we're gonna save. Yeah. We're gonna save. Because the fire actually attracts the... to do that, right? So yeah, I guess we're gonna drink booze and yeah, basically go to sleep, and tomorrow morning we can actually it's so dark. I thought it was night still. Hello. So we're actually gonna combine a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And arrows, right? Arrows. So we got 5 arrows. Okay, why are you scared suddenly? Because you saw my boat or because you saw somebody else? Right, so, man, those bunnies. Actually, let me check before doing anything else. Can I make a trap? Because it's hard for me. That's bunny cage, right? Storage, foundations. Oh, here, animal trap, right. So I'm actually gonna do one somewhere in here. Okay, so we gonna have to gather some more sticks. Oh, there's a ton of this stuff in here. Right, sticks. So a little bit more. Is that my footsteps or somebody actually stalking me? I'm so scared. Like, not much, but a little bit. Man, we got sticks for days in here. Oh, I can't carry anymore. Right, where's my tray? Oh, we fall off. Wait a second. Right. That went a little bit too. Oh my god! What the fuck? Whoa. Okay, till I have a chance. Right. No. It's running away. What was that, dude? Jesus, so... Man, that looks so weird. Oh, no, I don't need a hat, sorry. Oh my god, we've got meat for days, guys. Right, let me see. Oh my god, so much meat. You know what I need? You know what I need? I need a meat dryer. I saw that thing in here. Right, wait, this one, drying rack. So yeah, more stick gathering. Right now, before I go stick gathering, I actually wanna cook the small meat. Can I? No, not the big one, small. Oh man. Okay, whatever. Let's just go and find some sticks. Don't lag. What? Where am I? Right, sticks. I never thought it's gonna be so easy with the bow, man. I think it was a really good experience for us. Right. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. So here's our rack. We're gonna... Sorry dear for trying your relatives in here. Wait, no? No? Hello? Can I get another free space, please? Oh, is that all I've got? Yeah, that's actually all I've got. Right, what can I do with the deerskin? Can be worn when used as decoration. Right. I don't think in terms of my survival situation I need any kind of decoration, so yeah. Right. Oh, I've got another piece. Right. What was that? The piece I was actually cooking. Oh lord. Yeah, my fire, it's gone. It's actually gone. Right, let me do this. Right. Let me make a fire first. Not here. In here. Right. Just a basic fire, I guess. We don't need any kind of too much things in here. Right, so I need 2 sticks and leaves. Right, I've got leaves and I need 2 sticks. Just 2 little sticks. No, that's a rock. We're gonna have to chop one. Is that all? Yeah, that's all. Okay. Right. Let's cook some food. Okay. Right, cook. And add some fuel. Okay, guys. That was a really good episode. We've done so much things. We've actually finally a source of food. The other thing we actually need is a source of water, but I think we're gonna find some kind of lake that's not far from this place, and yeah, find a water. So thank you guys for watching. Leave your likes, subscribes, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.